Scene 1. The airport buzzes with excitement and nerves as Olivia, James, and their two kids, Sophia and Max, join the swelling crowd at security. Olivia clutches her meticulously organized carry-on, gratitude flashing across her face as she remembers the email from Seetaluxuryescape that arrived 2 weeks prior. It was more than an itinerary. It was a tactical guide for handling the new dystopian maze of 2026 security. Around her, travelers unpack tangled cables, fidget with jackets, and stare helplessly at unreadable power banks. Scene 2. Sophia's eyes are wide as she watches the agent in blue gloves carefully swab someone's laptop. Olivia recalls mistake number 1 and smiles knowingly. Their electronics are distributed like a state-of-the-art Tetris game. Her laptop sits alone in a padded sleeve, tablets for the kids in colorful zippered pouches, chargers together in a clear organizer. James, skeptical at first, now appreciates the tranquility. No unpacking chaos, just smooth sailing through the scanner. Nearby, a traveler unspools 20 cables, triggering the dreaded bag search. Scene 3. Max clutches his passport, and James double-checks everyone's ID. Thanks to Seetaluxuryescape's pre-trip checklist, they're Real ID compliant. Olivia's passport isn't expiring until next year, and every backup document is checked and rechecked. Behind them, an unfortunate couple are pulled aside. Their state licenses just missed the new standards. Frustration mounts. Meanwhile, Olivia's family moves forward with confidence, the children already plotting which snacks to buy. Scene 4. The line divides. Some travelers hesitate, unsure if laptops need to emerge. Seetaluxuryescape's airport intel guides Olivia. This airport features advanced CT scanners, meaning the electronics stay in the bag. She breezes forward, while others fumble and ask the TSA agent for clarification, their vacation energy dissolving in uncertainty. Scene 5. James pulls out the family's security pouch, a zipped organizer containing passports, phones, wallets, jewelry. He places it in the bin, slides it through, and collects it on the far side in a single motion. Olivia watches as the traveler next to her scatters loose items, chasing a rolling earring and a credit card. Vulnerability and panic swirl. Olivia's method is elegant, efficient, and strangely luxurious. Scene 6. The family's attire is a study in strategic layering. Olivia wears a fitted jacket over a light shirt. Sophia and Max sport easy-to-remove sweaters. No bulky scarves or oversized hoodies. The scanner waves them through without a hitch. Olivia remembers the packing guide. Stay comfortable, but don't dress like you're smuggling a pillow. She quietly feels grateful she skipped the weighted blanket. The security agent smiles and they move on. Scene 7. In the checked bag, gifts for Grandma are nestled in tissue-filled gift bags, not wrapped. Seetaluxuryescape's guidance rings true. Presentation comes later. Surprises aren't ruined by security checks. Olivia spots another parent at the counter, whose carefully wrapped birthday gifts are torn open and re-wrapped with tape. She thanks their luxury travel advisor for the reminder. Scene 8. As the family approaches the boarding area, James shows the agent their power bank, its label pristine and clear. Olivia had snapped a photo of its specs just in case. Another traveler's faded battery is confiscated, his phone destined to die mid-flight.